Today's bait of the day was a Deep Creek lizard. We've got it rigged on a 3/0 Gamakatsu hook, 1/8 ounce tungsten weight. Got it on our Arc Reinforcer 7-1 medium heavy rod with a Gravity 8 7-1-1 reel, 15-pound fluorocarbon. Should. So making a mess. You keep no. It was helpful time. I know one thing. You said saying I'm ready to get my equipment back straight. Well, I gotta do it all. Dadgummit. Oh, it's a good one. Look like, yeah. What are you fishing with? Oh, the lizard. Oh, there's the hook. Move it away from me. Yeah. Whatever that was, got my tail. Hey. Hey, you got one more. That's right. This is gonna be another one of those days. No, I'm gonna give you my shot. Need to put another lizard on. Oh yeah, I mean they've already taken the tail off. There you go. Shorty one. Shorty monkey. There we go. Got our lizard knocked out. Tailless lizard. Now I'm going to fish with what I'm going to catch them on. Yeah. So now I'm going to fish with what I'm going to catch them on. What are you fishing with? Oh, nothing. No, you fish with you. Don't worry about it. Nothing you're going to want to fish with. They want it moving. You probably figured that out. No, I didn't. They want it moving. See? They want it moving and they want tail grabbers.
I'm wondering if it's not cracking. Because I just had one in, I slowed down to see if they would hold it. Look at that. That's not good. No.
I think we got a bunch of males making beds.
They act like bedding fish.
Oh, no, I think they're up making the beds.
What I'm just saying is they hit it like they're just trying to move it.
Yeah. Well, they're small, too. It doesn't help. They're really small, too. Didn't even set the hook on that one. Didn't even set the hook on that one. So I didn't even set the hook on that one. Like every time I throw up at that pipe. And just stack. Yeah, giant. Interesting. Hooked him in the top of the head.
What?
Hooked him in the top of the head. I hope he makes it. I just wonder if there are any big fish in here.
Yeah.
You know? It seems like every year they get smaller and smaller.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Their numbers get better, it seems. I think there's a lot more fish in here. But,
With that flow of water, man, there ought to be big fish in here. Because they hardly ever stop.
no.
Hardly ever stop. They have no problem catching numbers.
Well.
You catch a lot of fish in this morning?
No, I didn't. I hadn't had many bites since I left the dam. Actually, two. And I just caught one of those. But I haven't gotten near the bites you have. That's great. Do what? Hey, put them all together and you might have a 7-pounder. Oh, wow, that was beautiful. You put them all together and we might have 7 pounds. 5 pounds, yeah.
Oh, fuck that one. Don't get carried away.
I don't know, man. Oh, he missed that.
What are you throwing?
Lizard. They swim jigs too.
They probably like that tail on that lizard.
They do.
They're fighting this one because of the yellow.
Swim jig was just too big for them to get, man.
You need like a 50 bug.
I still think it was too big.
You know what's weird?
What's that?
Is that stretch of bank right there, and I just got to go to that dock, I catch the fish, fishing it from this angle, they ain't biting.
Yeah. Yeah. No, they're hitting that thing because it's got red in it, I think. Well, I don't know. They wouldn't eat that crankbait.
Do what? They wouldn't eat that crankbait.
Which didn't make any sense. Because you know they're eating crawfish. Tap it. Come on. Oh, my back feels better. It'll be worth a burn tomorrow.
You may be all right. I'm fine today. You need to take some IB tonight.
Oh, I'm definitely going to take some ibuprofen tonight. Ibuprofen. Alright. Last cast. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, last cast.
There you go. Get him in.
I'm trying. He's going to try to jump on me.
He's on the other side of the pond. I think he's the smallest one.
Smallest one? It doesn't matter. I caught it. It's the last cast fish, man. Those are very rare. Those are very rare. Oh. Giant bass. Cool.
What did you get?
I don't know.
You caught?
We did it. We caught a fish on our bait of the day 2 days in a row. Join us again tomorrow as we try to continue our streak and keep up the daily grind. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching.